Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2020 Subaru Outback, stock number 6868. It's run from the 8th 2018 to the 12th 2020. It's an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,